Passion fruit, also known as passiflora, is a flowering tropical vine that grows in warm and humid climates. It contains a soft pulp that has lots of edible seeds inside the hard rind. Passion fruit is so versatile that you can eat the pulp and seeds, juice it, or add them to other shakes and juices. It is known for its pleasantly sour taste and tart flavor. Let's know some amazing health benefits of it. Passion fruit boasts a healthy nutrition profile, making it a beneficial fruit to consume. It is rich in vitamin A, which aids the immune system, vision, and skin. The fruit is also rich in vitamin C, which is an important antioxidant. Passion fruit is citrusy in flavor with a tang of sweetness. It is filled with antioxidants that help your body get rid of harmful free radicals. Antioxidants are vital for your body's immune system functioning, as they help keep the body free of ailments. According to experts, antioxidants are responsible for keeping the blood flow normal and intact, especially in the nervous system and brain, while warding off any harmful toxins in the blood. Antioxidants also help in reducing inflammation and stress in the body, both of which are associated with diseases like cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Passion fruit is one of the few tropical fruits that have a low glycemic index value, which helps in maintaining blood glucose levels, thereby releasing sugar at a slower rate. This makes passion fruit a viable option and a great alternative over other fruits for people suffering from diabetes. Passion fruit is a rich source of dietary fiber. Fiber is a significant component in every food you eat, as it helps in keeping the digestive system properly functioning, and is responsible for keeping the gut health intact. People with bowel disorders and constipation are advised to eat fruits that are rich in fiber, as it helps make the stool softer, allowing for easy bowel movements. On the other hand, according to experts, fiber is also beneficial in boosting heart health by reducing cholesterol. Since it doesn't contain any sterols, it is a great fruit for people who have heart conditions. According to studies and research, there is a compound named phytoetanol found in passion fruit seeds that is said to improve an individual's insulin sensitivity. So, it is highly beneficial in reducing or preventing diseases like diabetes. Moreover, it can also help reduce the risk of many other diseases like heart problems, neural problems that impact the functioning of the vital organs like the brain. Passion fruit contains high amounts of vitamin C, which is an antioxidant. These antioxidants are responsible for fighting off free radicals and keeping the immune system healthy. In fact, it is important to have an intact immune system, because if it weakens, your body loses the ability to fight infections and other harm caused by external entities. Those who are suffering from anxiety and stress are prescribed to eat passion fruit. This is because it is filled with magnesium that is said to have a powerful impact on the brain cells that keeps your mood fresh and happy. According to experts, magnesium can help manage anxiety levels in people. Passion fruit is a rich source of magnesium content, around 5 milligrams, and therefore, can be consumed as anxiety relief food, for good mental health. Passion fruit comes with a plethora of health benefits. Although the fruit is sour and tangy, it makes for a healthy snack that can be consumed at any part of the day due to its richness in many nutrients. Have you ever tried this? If yes, comment below. If you are new to us, please subscribe and press the bell icon to see such videos. Share it with your friends and relatives. Like the video and stay connected. Thanks for watching.